In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Tasks from Google Calendar on your phone using desktop view. If you've ever tried to access Google Tasks from a mobile browser and noticed that the layout looks too limited, this method can help. The idea is to open the full desktop version of Google Calendar in Chrome on your smartphone, so you can see the side panel that normally appears more clearly on a computer. To begin, launch the Chrome browser app on your mobile smartphone device. Make sure Chrome is fully open and ready before moving on. Using Chrome is helpful here because it gives you an easy way to request the desktop version of a website, which is exactly what we need for this process. Once Chrome is open, go to calendar.google.com. After the page starts loading, you may notice that it opens in a simplified mobile layout. That version is fine for basic viewing, but it may hide some tools or make them harder to find. To get around that, switch the view settings so the page displays in desktop site format. This tells Chrome to load the website the way it would appear on a computer instead of a phone. When the desktop version loads, give it a moment to fully render. Because this is a more detailed layout, it can look smaller on a phone screen, so you may need to zoom in slightly or move around carefully to find what you need. That's completely normal. The desktop layout includes a companion panel along the right side, and this is where the Tasks shortcut appears. Now look toward the right border of the screen for the companion panel. In that vertical area, find the tiny blue Tasks checkmark icon. Since the desktop layout is being shown on a small mobile display, the icon may appear small at first glance, so take your time and zoom in if needed. Once you locate it, tap the blue Task checkmark icon. That will open Google Tasks from within the calendar interface, letting you access your task list in the desktop-style layout directly from your phone. If the panel doesn't appear right away, wait a second for the page to finish responding, and make sure you're still in desktop site mode. And that's it. This is a simple way to reach Google Tasks on mobile when you need the fuller Google Calendar interface in Chrome.